Canva just made this effect incredibly easy. Let me show you how to create this stunning video inside text design in just a few minutes. Open Canva and set up your project. For example, I will use social media, Instagram posts. Go to element and add a shape. I will choose this square. I will place it here. Increase the size. And then type the text that you want. For example, I will type Paris. I will rotate 90 degrees. And then I will change the font to a tall font like Anton. I will increase the size. And go to Effect. Add outline with a white color. Or any color that you want. And I will place it here. I will increase the thickness like this. Then I will place it here. And then go to apps and type here shape. Enter and choose shape cutout. Click export design and then click export. And then select the part that you want to remove. I will click here and on all these letters. And then remove all these elements. And then click cutout and add to design. Place it here. Now upload your video. For example, I will use this element. I will increase the size to fit the page. And then send it backward. Now you have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.